Today's consumer learns, evolves, and takes action that is too fast for many of us to keep up, let alone get ahead of. They are always on and have more control than ever before over the brands that they choose to engage with. Successful brands today need to use consumer intelligence platform not just to build a deep understanding of consumers, but also to engage and acquire them. They need to leverage the always-on dimension of the consumer, translate the data into actionable insights, and design communications that build a real connection with the consumer. That's exactly the core philosophy with which InMobi Pulse was built about 2.5 years back. InMobi Pulse is the leading mobile consumer intelligence platform which helps brands to identify, understand, engage, and acquire consumers. There are three key tenets that define us. We are mobile first, AI powered, and secure and privacy compliant. Let's look at all three of them in a little more detail. The first one is being mobile first. In a world where mobile is now the primary device for a user, we believe that it's extremely important to not be mobile optimized, but be mobile first. This has a huge impact on not just how you access consumers, but also how you interact with them. Using always-on mobile signals, we collect more than 100 passive and stated data signals from consumers. And being mobile first also helps us gather intelligence at scale. We have a massive user reach of about 620 million users in APAC and about 1.5 billion users globally. Now, there are two major challenges that the consumer insights industry is facing at this point of time. The first one is, how do you ensure that the data that you're collecting is validated and correct, especially if the data that you're collecting is stated data or consumer feedback? We all know that stated data typically has like the lowest confidence level when it comes to validity of data sources, but it is one of the most widely used as well. And secondly, if assuming your data is correct, how do you translate that data into actionable insights? And that's where being AI powered becomes critical. Our patent pending technology takes in more than 30 plus data points of a user, including demographics, technographic, and gyroscopic signals, feeds all of them into a machine learning algorithm and churns out a validity score of a user. We then showcase how many responses or how many users have been rejected and for what reasons. All of this is shown on our self-serve platform, which can be seen on the screen as well. This means that for the first time in the industry, one is able to build high confidence on stated consumer data and show that transparently to the client as well. Now, having validated the consumer feedback, our platform then showcases out-of-the-box insights from all the data that we've collected to minimize the work that people have to do manually. Now, we've talked a lot about accessing users at scale and collecting and analyzing their feedback, but all of this cannot be possible unless done in a secure and privacy-compliant manner. And that's where our third tenet comes into play, being a cloud-based, secure, and privacy-compliant platform. We are a CCPA and GDPR-compliant platform that is built on the top of goodness of Microsoft Azure. So all the examples that you will see going forward would have been executed while keeping this core tenet in mind. Before we move on to different solutions that we have for brands, I think it's important to quickly understand the core infrastructure and the core technology that we use to collect consumer feedback. Now, being part of InMobi Group, we leverage the core AdTech infrastructure of the company. Through our SDK, we access more than 30,000 apps and around 1.5 billion users globally. Whenever a user opens one of our apps that we are partnered up with, we get an opportunity to showcase an asset to that particular user. Now, that asset might be a full screen ad, a video, or in our case, a survey as well. We compete with multiple other bids from both within the InMobi exchange and from other exchanges as well. And if we win that bid, we show a survey to that user within the app environment itself. So if you see the example on the screen, a user, within an app gets to see a survey, the user completes the survey within the app environment and lands up in exactly the same place within the app post-completion. Now, while there are multiple different ways in which brands are leveraging InMobi Pulse, we would go through three key solutions in this webinar. What is interesting about these solutions is that each solution is not just unique to a set of industries, but also covers the use case for multiple different teams within the organization. So our solution for retail brands that leverages real-time location signals is not only important for the insights team, but also customer experience professionals, retail managers, and channel managers as well. Similarly, the seed audiences solution for CPG and other offline brands links media teams, insights, and data sciences together, thereby bringing CMI, brand managers, media managers, and data sciences teams together. Our third solution is key for mobile-first brands and can span multiple functions across insights, product management, user experience, and category management as well. So through all of this, we are able to democratize the insights to a broader audience and drive very good decision making.